Hello and welcome to the Stopping Distances revision video from scienceworksheets.co.uk. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. The stopping distance is the sum of the thinking distance and the braking distance. So stopping distance equals thinking distance plus braking distance. You may need to rearrange this equation in an exam. Thinking distance is the distance travelled by a car in the time it takes the driver to react. And braking distance is the distance travelled by the vehicle whilst a braking force is being applied to stop the vehicle. Factors that affect the stopping distance. As speed increases, stopping distance will also increase. Tiredness, drugs, alcohol, distractions all increase the reaction time or the thinking distance and therefore increase the stopping distance. Adverse road conditions such as wet or icy roads along with poor vehicle brakes or tyres will increase the braking distance, which increases the stopping distance. You do not need to memorize the data that is on this slide, but you do need to be able to estimate stopping distance, so it is worth pausing the video and looking at some of the values for thinking distance and braking distance at different speeds. Graphs and stopping distances. On this speed time graph, there is first of all a horizontal line which represents constant speed. The area under this horizontal line will be the thinking distance. Then there is a diagonal downwards line where the speed is decreasing to 0. The area under this line will be a braking distance. We can put a barrier in to separate the thinking distance from the braking distance, which splits the object into two different shapes, a rectangle and a triangle. And the distances can be calculated by calculating the area of each segment. This is the same speed time graph as the previous slide, but now it has numbers, so we're going to calculate both the thinking distance and the braking distance. First of all, we will calculate the thinking distance, and this has got 8 meters per second and 3 seconds. It's a rectangle, so it's 8 times 3, which is 24 meters. The braking distance has the shape of a triangle, and the area of a triangle is a half times base times height. So that will be a half times 6 times 8, which is 24 meters. So both the thinking distance and the braking distance are 24 meters each. That would mean the total stopping distance would be 24 plus 24 is 48 meters. Thank you for watching. See our revision notes on this topic. The link is in the description.